I've just created a fresh repository here on GitHub, and I want to write out the README that makes sense for this repository. So there's lots of different things that we can put into a README, but there's a few things that are really important. So I've already cloned it down to my computer, and here it is here. So I'm going to start by fixing up the title. So let's add some capitalization in here and stuff like that. So there's the title. So here I've already got the description because GitHub put that in for me already. It's just a quick description that's the one up here at the top of my page and the one down here. So maybe this needs a little bit more detail in the README. So we could add some more motivation behind why this project exists. So in the context of this is the code samples for this video. It's really meta. But anyways, this is the code samples for this video, and I'm just writing the README in the video so you can see how I do it. So down here, the motivation would be then a sample README for the Algonquin College web, let's go graphic design program to match the video tutorial on writing READMEs. So that is sort of enough motivation, I think, for the README. Yeah. So I'm going to go and commit that. So you can see I'm using the command line to do my committing. I don't use the GitHub app myself personally too often. I use the command line like this. So there I did a commit like that. So what other information can we put in our README? We've got the title, we've got the description, and we've got the reason why. We should probably put a version. So I'll go at the top here and do version 1.0.0 like that. All right, let's do another commit. Cool. We could also have a section on licenses and copyright. So I'm going to put a separator and then add a new heading here, license and copyright, like that. So I'll do copyright Thomas J. Bradley, Algonquin College, graphic design. So there's my copyright notice. So let's do another commit. And I'm going to push it up to GitHub. I'm going to sync it. Let's go back to the browser here and refresh. And we have a basic README set up. There's a bunch of other things that I could put in if my project was a little bit more complicated, like installation instructions or demo code or how to contribute to the project. In fact, I maybe should add a section on contributors here. So I'll add a section called contributors. So let's just put my name in here. So there is me as a contributor, and I'm going to just commit that. So there's more that we could put into a README depending on the needs of the project. For this actual project, I don't think we need that much more. So there's creating a basic README. I used Markdown to write it up, and I put in what was necessary for people to understand the purpose of this project.